Hello, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to reactivate Carrot to read steps data in your Apple Health app. First, you're going to want to launch your Apple Health, and then you're going to have to scroll to the steps area under the summary category. So if you look for the steps data, you tap on the steps data icon, which is right there. And from there, you're going to scroll down to the sources, data sources area, which is all the way at the bottom of this screen. So data sources and access, go ahead and tap data sources and access. And you're going to be presented with what allows Apple Health to grab steps data. And you'll notice that Carrot is inactive at this point. So what you'll want to do is go to the edit button, tap the edit button, and then go ahead and reactivate Carrot by tapping on Carrot. And from here, Carrot will now be able to read and write or have access to the Apple Health to read and write steps data. So we can grab information from Apple Health. If you have any questions, feel free to look at our help.carrotwellness.com frequently asked questions page, and have a great day.